Now, one of the biggest components to creating your flash sale is preparing your marketing materials. So creating attention grabbing graphics for your emails, text messages, and voicemail blasts. Now, within your Advanced Leads account, we have added templates for your flash sale. So let's go through how you can utilize the templates that we have and create your own. So from your dashboard, you want to click on Email Blast and then come to the search bar and search for Flash. Then you can open up the flash sale template folder, and you'll see that I have 2 in here right now, and we'll be adding additional in the future. So I'm going to click on this preview link just so that you can see what these look like in a preview window. And these 2 are styled very similar, but they're just a little different. One of them utilizes more text and has the option to add in additional treatments. The other one is more focused just on what the flash sale entails. So what I recommend doing is coming in and cloning the templates that you want to use, and then I would rename them. So flash sale, and then I always recommend doing the month and year that you are running the flash sale for. So this is going to be email 1. And then let's go back really quickly and we'll do email 2. And you'll notice that I used the same exact name, I just updated it so that this is for email 2. Now the template builder is very easy to use. It allows you to come in and update photos. You can change the text in the window, customize the call to actions, and then you'll also want to, of course, update your logo. Now within our call to actions and within our trigger links, or within our social icons, we are using what we call trigger links, and I will show you where to ensure that yours are properly set up. But with this trigger link, what it does is it tracks when somebody actually clicks on that link. And so once your account has been set up utilizing those links, you're not going to have to make any updates to it because it will always be in there and it will always be correct. The same with these custom values. So yes, right now, these custom values are not customized to you, but when you do go in and Q&A your emails and your workflows, they will be updated to how they are set within your account. Now you're welcome to just replace them, but we like to use them across the board just because it makes it a simpler process on our end. The other thing that you will find on the landing page is links to templates that you can use, to Canva templates that you can use within the emails. So as we build these emails out for you, you'll be able to come in here and utilize this template with instructions on exactly how you need to download it. So say if I wanted to replace flash sale with just sale, I could do that across the board and then download it. The other thing is that it allows me to, there's different colors in here, and each of these different templates has a matching set to it. So for the templates that we build out within your account, we're also providing you the Canva templates for these graphics so that you can update it and easily make them your own. Now, the one thing that I will recommend is within your, as you're building out these emails, you want to make sure to come up to these 3 dots, click on settings, and ensure that you have updated your subject line and your preview text. And then you want to hit save and then save your template. So you'll first update your first email, and then you will go into the second email. As each flash sale includes 2 emails, you want to make sure that you've updated both emails so that they're just slightly different. So you'll go ahead and make those updates here as well. And again, within the designs that we've provided, Canva templates for you to go in and update the images to match the products and services that you are wanting to run in your flash sale. You can also click and see the different previews of what these actually look like. from this landing page. Now, the one thing that we do highly recommend when you're creating your flash sale emails is that you want them to be customized so that you're utilizing the custom value for the contact with their first name. And that way it won't be marked as spam, because each of the emails will be a little different. That is one thing that the sender notes when you're sending out bulk messages, is if the emails are exactly alike, and we want to ensure that they're not identical across the board. So we want to put in those custom values that call out to the actual person that you're sending it to. The other thing is we like to keep all of the messaging within advanced leads. So typically for a flash sale, you're sending it to an audience that is familiar with your products and services. And so your call to action, you want that to be call us to schedule, or reply to this email, reply to this text message. You want to be utilizing advanced leads to communicate with them in the system. And what that does is it allows us to track the conversions and really see where people are opting in most for either your promo campaign or your flash sale. So once you have made all updates to your templates, I recommend coming over and just verifying that there are no hidden elements. And if there are, then you can either update or delete those. So once you've saved everything, then the next step would be to using the SMS calculator to determine that you know exactly what message you want to send out before you send it, and what that's going to cost. So we'll go to that section next.